Okay guys, this is my Royal Enfield Interceptor, and I'm gonna show you what I've done, some modification and accessories added to this bike. Let's start from the steering here. I added some nice clock, add to the classic look. I like it a lot, and the best thing is it's very cheap. Got it from a marketplace, online marketplace here in Indonesia, and I added some quad lock phone mount, make it easier for me to look at the GPS, use Google Maps when I'm riding. And then this handlebar wrap is actually made for bike, and it comes in various color. You can choose it which color you like. Okay, and then moving on, of course, my favorite exhaust, the Gorzawak exhaust. Thank you, Mr. Prapnet from Gorzawak, for supplying me this exhaust. And then, since I like this exhaust so much, I added this protector. So hopefully, I hope not, if I crash, it will save the exhaust at least. And the good thing about this exhaust is all the mounts is same as the original, so you don't have to I mean, if you like the OEM look, this is the exhaust for you. The downside of this exhaust is just it weighs almost the same as the OEM exhaust. Maybe I weighed it in a scale, and it weighs just 200 grams lighter than the OEM. So if you're looking for a light exhaust, this is not the exhaust for you. But if you're looking for a deep bassy sound, very cool sound, this is the one for you. Okay, and then we are moving on. Okay, I added this. This is a standard from Royal Enfield. I ordered also from India, and then also the underbelly protector, and then this shock cover, make it nicer and help protect the seals in the shock from the dust. And also this standard, I choose the short version because I like it a lot. And then I changed the light bulb in the headlight with LED from Philips. Okay, it looks great, and it's absolutely far more brighter than the standard. And the special thing about this, my mod, is I'm installing a steering damper. This is a Scott's steering damper. I mean, it's not Scott's, it's I think it's a copy, because the Scott itself is a very expensive one. With the Scots, you're looking at maybe $450 US. And then in the end, because they haven't made the specific damper for this bike yet, you end up only using the main unit and not using the brackets or mounting adapters. So we have to fabricate our own mounts. So it mounts on the original license plates bolts, and the pin, and also make that and mount it, and as you can see, oil cooler brackets. And the good thing about this damper is it's not only adjusting the soft and hard, how soft and how hard you can turn the steering, but also it has another valves that adjust your high speed sensitivity, high speed damping. It works if you go fast and then you hit a potholes, or you change lanes and then the road is uneven and the steering is likely to wobble. This bike is like to wobble, especially in high speed and in uneven road. And the tire being so thin is not helping at all. Coming from sport bike, I don't like that feeling, so I added this, and turns out it helps a lot. Now the feel in the corner and then straight during high speed is way better. We got more confidence doing the cornering and the high speed run. Okay guys. Oh, and I almost forgot. I bought this damper from AliExpress, and it cost just $100 US, around that amount. Okay, so it's kind of cheap, so I can test this out first without having to spend a fortune buying the Scotch damper. Okay guys, thank you.